Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
We are the students of Unnati Ashram studying 12th standard. I am Hariniket.
I am Priyadarsan.
Today, I'd like to introduce you to a powerful and eco-friendly energy storage system, the sand gravity battery. Nowadays, we move on to cleaner energy sources like solar energy and wind energy. And sometimes we face a problem where we don't have an energy storage system. At that point, we have our storage system, the sand gravity battery. It actually stores two types of energy, one electrical energy and two heat energy. Now, Priyasan will explain its working.
Now, what we are going to do is that using the excess energy like solar panels in the hot days and in wind energy in windy days, we are going to do two things. First of all, we are going to raise some weight, and that weight can be anything like metal scraps and the compressed plastics and any non-biodegradable waste. But what I suggest is sand. Sand is more simpler and more abundant. What we are going to do is we are going to heat that sand, and at the same time we are going to raise that to up some height. Sand has a high heat capacity and it can store the heat for weeks when it is inside an insulating silos. And whenever we require, we are going to drop that sand container, and also using some fluids and air, we are going to pass the air inside that sand and gain that heat energy. And when the sand is released, the generator is rotated and we get the electricity back. Now let's see how it works.
Now I am going to connect the solar panel and the motor, and I am switching on the overall circuit. Whenever the excess energy is produced from the solar panel, it is used to raise the weight by adjusting the joystick. And using the hydraulic brakes, we can stop it at a certain height. And whenever the excess energy is produced,
It's used for heating the sand.
and we connect with our required circuit. For example, here we are using the light system. Now I am going to release the hydraulic brakes. As the weight releases down, the lights are glowing. See.
This gravitational potential energy stored at the top is again converted into electricity by this generator, that is the motor. Now let's see the circuit and connections for this module.
Now, let's move on to the circuit. In the circuit, here we are using an Arduino Mega 2560 module and an L298N module to connect the solar panel and the generator. Here we are using a joystick to control the motor. This is the circuit.
Now, in our small scale model, we cannot replicate the heating part of that sand battery, and we are using the external supply for charging this solar as we are inside our home. And now let's move on to the advantages.
Okay, now about the advantages. This system actually stores both electrical and heat energy in a single system. It is very much safe as it does not use any chemicals when compared to lithium-ion batteries. It also uses only mechanical parts, which is very long lasting for hundreds of years. So it has very low maintenance, and hence we can use it for many years. And it is very safe when compared to lithium-ion batteries as it uses many chemicals. Thank you.
Thank you.